Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, the Samsung with Quick Share and the Oneplus. Once done, make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network or put one in hotspot mode so they share a local link. Install and open Nearby Share or Files by Google on each phone. This is the only practical bridge because Quick Share won't pair directly with Oneplus. Now grant location, Bluetooth and storage permissions so discovery and transfers can begin. You tap Gallery or Files on the Samsung and select the photos, videos, or files you want to move. Next, tap Share and choose Nearby Share or Files by Google instead of Quick Share. This hands the transfer to a compatible service. Then set visibility to everyone or contacts so the Oneplus can discover you immediately. Keep the Samsung screen awake and watch for the Oneplus device name to appear. Once it does, accept the prompt on the sending phone to begin pairing. On the Oneplus, you'll see a Nearby Share prompt. Accept it and choose where to save the incoming files. The transfer uses Wi-Fi Direct if available, so watch the progress bar and keep both screens unlocked until it finishes. If the transfer stalls, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones, restart Nearby Share, or switch to Files by Google as an alternative. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. Restarting the share service and ensuring permissions are allowed gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.